So hello everyone, welcome to my channel and this is our next problem in SQL 50 Advanced SQL Select and Joins. So this is question number 180 and we are in the question of consecutive numbers. So what the consecutive numbers problem is saying is that we have a table named logs and we have a column name as ID and num. ID is in integer and num is in varchar. So what I need to find it out is now I have to find out the numbers that appear at least 3 times consecutively. Okay, so let me just go through the example. You have ID 123 over here, and you see that for on ID 123 you have consecutive num varchar num. Okay, this one in varchar. Okay, so 111 for the first three you have one similar. You have 1 1 and 1. That means 1 is having 3 times consecutively 3 times, and hence this is the result because 1 is having only 3 times, and that is what the question is asking. Find all the numbers that appear at least 3 times consecutively. Now you see in the next IDs 4 5 6 7, you will see that the difference in the numbers, there is the number is not taken consecutively in same manner. Okay, for the first for the fourth ID it is 2, for the fifth it is 1, again for 6 it is again 2. So in this way it is in a haphazard manner, it is not in the same way. Okay, so 2 is not in the consecutive IDs. Okay, so for in consecutive nums of the IDs. So for this example, we have one consecutive nums, okay, which is appearing 3 times. So this is a simple question. Now, from this example, if we just see over here, what it is doing is it is just equating the IDs, or you can see the nums on the consecutive rows, you can say, or for per ID, it is matching the numbers. Okay, for ID 1, it is taking that yes, I have num 1. Similarly, now I have to check for ID 2 whether this num of ID 1 is equal to the num of ID 2 is or not. Okay, so in this way, it will move for 2 times for ID 1 and for ID 2, and again for ID 2 and for ID 3. Okay, similarly, it will check for the next rows. Okay, for ID 2, it will check for ID 3, and for ID 3, it will check for ID 4. And once it will see that the ID 3 and ID 4, num of ID 3 and ID 4 is not equal, then only it will break. Okay, so it will not consider. It will consider up to 3 consecutive iterations, you can say. Okay, so the logics somehow it will for num you can say if I have three consecutive three tables, similar tables, okay, as log1, log2 and log3. Now if I match the IDs and the nums, it will somehow look like this. If I take log1 as one table, now consider the ID of log1 is equal to log2 of ID3 of ID2 ID2. Now, log 2 of ID minus 1. Why I'm taking 1? I'm saying why I'm taking 1. Just give me 1 minute. Log 2 dot ID, sorry, ID equal to log 3 dot ID minus 1. Okay, so what it is, just consider that we have three tables of logs, log 1, log 2 and log 3. Now let us consider ID equals to 3. So what these two lines will say is for ID equals to 3, it will so that the value of it will give the value of log 2 of ID2. Okay, so what I will have is log 1 of ID3, log 2 of ID2 and log 3 of ID1. So 1, 2, 3 will be in the first row of log 1, log 2 and log 3. Now I will match the consecutive num values of ID1, ID2 and ID3. That means it will be the ID1, 1 and 1 of log 1, log 2 and log 3 in my solution. Okay, now I will type log 1 dot num equal to log 2 dot num, right? And here also I have to write and. I missed out. Oh yeah, and log 2 dot num equals to log 3 dot num. Okay, so for every IDs, okay, I will check the num values. So this is the whole logic. We are creating three tables of similar kind, and now I am distributing the IDs in every rows, because I have said the question is there that uh, find the number that appear has at least three times. If it is said that the appear at least four, then I will go for the ID for another table. Okay, then I will check for the four IDs of each tables. Okay, of each tables, I will check the IDs of first one, then of second one, then third one, and then fourth one of each four tables. Okay, now here it is saying for the three types, I will consider only three tables. Okay, so in this logic, it is just considering the is taking the values of the num of ID 1, 2, and 3. Okay, similarly, it will again go for 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. Okay, in that manner, it will run. Okay, now this whole thing will be under where? Will be under where? Now, let me just provide all the select and from cases. Select distinct dot num as consecutive nums mm, from uh, logs of log 1, creating the tables here, logs of log 2, log 3. Okay, let me run, see whether any error is coming or not. Okay, I'm just taking the first chance only. Okay. Okay, so that's it. So this is the main logic. I am creating the IDs in every three tables, and I am going to match the similar nums in each table. Okay, so this is the main logic. You need to understand this one only, and the rest is similar. We have done this kind of things previously in joins. So this is the main logic. Okay, and let me just submit the test case now and see whether that goes okay or not. Okay, okay, it is accepted. Okay, so this is the solution for question number 180, consecutive numbers. A bit of a difficult one, not easy, moderate level problem. Uh, a simple question. It is helpful in many interviews. So please try to consider this type of questions in your interviews. Okay. So see you in the next class then, next session with a new problem in SQL. Okay. Till then, take care. Bye.